Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. We are with group Urbina. My name is Lunetta Maheswara Grahawijaya, as the one who will represent this. Uh, First, the agenda. First, we will do introduction a bit, and then we have the business model, and then go into the demo, and then go into the contribution. So first, this is our logo. We are group consists of me, Lunetta Maheswara Grahawijaya. The second one is Muhammad Rizky Eka Pratama, and the third one is Rafael Novito Handoyo. And our project is basically, in the simplest term, is AI convenience and AI real analysis both for student and for the staff of the school as our main target. The first problem, or at least the only problem that I actually found, is that communication between student complaint and teacher as a go to school evaluating experience for student. What we're trying to say is that teachers sometimes doesn't actually understand the problem that their students or even students barely communicate itself or I say themselves with the others. Because of that, sometimes schools kind of slow when enacting some policy to help stabilizing or improving the improvements to their academic life of their students. So that's why, due with that problem, our target market will mostly academic learning instant for especially in the most example is Universitas Islam Indonesia, where in more specific target we have two targets. First, target one is staff, which basically serve as a real-time analysis and insight student problem. And then the target two, we have students serve as AI companion. This is you can think of it like for student, it's like those ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, something like that. This simple as that. And then how do we make business? So basically, we have two ways. One, the first business is that if it's operating, at least the user is outside of the said school who have made cooperation with us, you can think of it like normal subscription, like maybe 200 EDRs for maybe per month, something like that, and they will act as your advanced ChatGPT. However, our main business model came from cooperation with the institution of learning environment. So we use Universitas Islam Indonesia as the example. So basically, we will offer a contract. So we will create this system, the Urbino, so personalized and tailored for their own places. So we charge the institution, we charge the WE, and from that we make money from it. That's how we gain the profits. Potential revenue is if it's working and actually follow or just from we alone in yearly revenue, this is the clear one, which still did not use for order maintenance or for cost, but the total one that we get is 850 millions atau dalam bahasa Indonesia 815 juta. Assuming again if it charge annual. So for product demo, let me change the. Okay, so this is one of the page. This is for the student. First, like I said, it's of as AI companion. So let's say that a student have a problem about next film. So maybe they're confused. I have a syntax problem for Next.js using Laravel. So I will submit it. Needs loading. Okay. This is the one of response. This is actual response from AI actually. So this is the main feature for student. Serve as an AI company. And then we go to let's see opportunities. For the admin, or let's say the assuming as the staff EI atau EE. This is a total or like activity recorded from student and then for AI to learn. So we have this analysis here, and then if you go into analytical or insight, let it loading first. So this is the keyword train. So Laravel Next.js syntax. This is a real one. So basically a real keyword used by according in this one. Oh, it's error. It's fine. And then we go into the insight. Oh wait, no. And then the analytical. Analytical serve as the total. So it's like your general analysis for AI in the whole operation of Urbino. So it's like this is all prompted from real data from the database. So that's actually the main feature for the product. And then for my personal reflection. So what's my responsibility? My responsibility is basically I was in charge of engineering logic, so I was doing the AI system. And then the challenge phase is that I have to understand how AI work. So that's the I have to understand it. And then the skill development is that I have to time management, AI integrating, encoding, and then team communication. And then the personal growth is that sometimes I feel like you get this idea from simply looking into simplest terms. So from simple I, you will get your effective. So I guess that's it for my presentations. Thank you for listening. Bye.